this is Pretoria. Going up. Pretoria Central. This. So we are using Sisulu Street, all right? We'll be going up with Sisulu Street on a rainy day. I don't even have an umbrella. I think I should buy one. So this is Sisulu Street that we are going up with. I once talked to someone who was saying, what do you mean when you say the city is smart? How smart? That was a good question. So there are two different smartness, I think. I was referring on. And I think we should go this way. Let's go this way. As Pretoria CBD on a rainy day, very rainy day. Look at this. Look at the weather. So I was asked, how smart is it? You were saying actually it depends with how smart you mean. So I wasn't talking about what shops we find or how people are working or what offices do we find here in Pretoria. I was talking of that in the garbage. Like, you know, see right now where I'm walking. I mean, you can't expect it to be completely squeaky clean because people are moving up and down all day here, and you know, but my own observations from how I've been observing other cities that I've been also vlogging in, walking, I don't think I see Pretoria is smart. So I don't know how you see Pretoria, but for me Pretoria is smart. Still doing very well. I just hope this continues to be like it is for me, or even to get much better. I'm not saying it's 100%, but it is clean for me. So let's go up with this street, and you've never used this street before, so we've been here in Pretoria, but you've never used this street. So It's our chance. Man, it's raining. It's raining and stopping, but these are only a kind of shower. You can really get wet with this type of rain. It don't stop. It's raining over again and again, slowly but surely. Oh, what did you look at this show? Okay, let's continue this. We can't jump. Let's come this side. A rainy day, crazy raining, guys. Less talking, more filming. So that side, that building there is the SL Towers. Shop right there. Let's just go with this street. Let's see what this street can give us, and then don't bar me, guys. The robot is still green. Now it's orange. Okay, but I still can jump right. It's raining like crazy hell. Supreme Finance. What building is this one here? Supreme Finance is down there. It's not that building. But I'll find out what building this is. That one. It's Tibalt building. That one. I'm not so sure what they do there, but it's Tibalt building. Okay guys, this is where we finish our vlog of this video, and this is where we finish our walk. Subscribe guys. Love you, bye. Ciao for now.